and welcome to our channel Books Talk. Antony Lewis has authored a thorough book titled The Basics of Bitcoins and Blockchains, an introduction to cryptocurrencies and the technology that powers them. With a focus on Bitcoin and blockchain technology, it offers a clear and comprehensive introduction to the world of cryptocurrencies. Cryptography, derivatives investments, futures trading, digital assets, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are just a few of the many topics covered in the book. Here's what you will learn from this audiobook summary from this book. 1. Complete book summary with all important points by Books Talk. 2. 10 important lessons summarized. 3. How you can start making money from the insights of this book. 4. One important lesson from us, to stand out from other readers of this book.
Certainly. Here are 10 important lessons that can be learned from The Basics of Bitcoins and Blockchains. 1. Understanding the basics. The book provides a comprehensive overview of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, helping readers understand the fundamental concepts and principles behind them. 2. The power of decentralization. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are based on the concept of decentralization, which offers increased security, transparency, and resilience compared to centralized systems. 3. Cryptography and security. Cryptography plays a crucial role in securing cryptocurrencies and protecting user transactions. Understanding the basics of cryptography is essential for grasping the security mechanisms of cryptocurrencies. 4. Mining and consensus. The book explains the process of mining and the importance of consensus algorithms in maintaining the integrity of the blockchain, highlighting concepts such as proof of work and proof of stake. 5. Wallets and storage. Digital wallets are necessary for storing and managing cryptocurrencies securely. The book covers different types of wallets and best practices for safe storage, including the importance of private keys. 6. Bitcoin and its impact. Bitcoin, as the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, has had a significant impact on the financial landscape. The book explores the history, dynamics, and potential use cases of Bitcoin. 7. Beyond Bitcoin. The book explores other cryptocurrencies and digital assets, such as Ethereum and altcoins, providing insights into their unique features and potential applications. 8. Risks and challenges. Cryptocurrencies come with their own set of risks and challenges, including market volatility, regulatory concerns, and scalability issues. The book addresses these challenges and encourages readers to approach the topic with caution. 9. Derivatives and futures trading. The book delves into the world of derivatives investments and futures trading related to cryptocurrencies, providing an understanding of these financial instruments and their potential impact on the market. 10. NFTs and digital collectibles. The rise of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, is explored in the book, shedding light on their significance in the realm of digital art and collectibles, including their potential impact on creators and collectors. The Basics of Bitcoins and Blockchains can provide you with a solid foundation of knowledge to understand the cryptocurrency market and its various opportunities. Here are a few steps to help you get started on making money using the insights from the book. 1. Continue educating yourself. Read the book thoroughly and take notes on key concepts, strategies, and practical tips. 1. Ensure that you understand the fundamentals of cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and the various applications discussed in the book. 2. Research and analyze. Dive deeper into the topics that interest you the most. 2. Stay updated with the latest news, trends, and developments in the cryptocurrency space. 2. Conduct additional research on specific cryptocurrencies, projects, or investment strategies mentioned in the book to gain a competitive edge. 3. Start with small investments. Begin by investing a small portion of your capital in cryptocurrencies. 3. Apply the knowledge you gained from the book to make informed investment decisions. 3. Diversify your portfolio by investing in different cryptocurrencies or tokens that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. 4. Utilize exchanges and trading platforms. Sign up for reputable cryptocurrency exchanges or trading platforms that allow you to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. 4. Familiarize yourself with the user interface, security features, and trading tools provided by these platforms. 4. Start with basic trading strategies and gradually explore more advanced techniques as you gain experience. 5. Participate in DeFi opportunities. Take advantage of the DeFi ecosystem discussed in the book. 5. Explore decentralized lending and borrowing platforms, liquidity pools, and yield farming opportunities. 5. Conduct thorough research on the projects you wish to participate in and assess the associated risks before committing your funds. 6. Stay mindful of risks. Understand that the cryptocurrency market can be highly volatile and unpredictable. 6. Be prepared for potential losses and set realistic expectations. 6. Stay updated on security best practices to safeguard your digital assets and avoid falling victim to scams or fraud. 7. Network and engage. Engage with the cryptocurrency community through forums, social media platforms, and industry events. 7. Share your insights, ask questions, and learn from experienced traders and investors. 7. Networking can provide valuable opportunities for collaboration, learning, and staying updated on new investment opportunities. 8. Consider trading strategies. If you have an aptitude for technical analysis, consider learning trading strategies such as chart patterns, trend analysis, and risk management. 8. However, it's important to note that trading strategies require practice, discipline, and continuous learning. Remember, making money in the cryptocurrency market requires a combination of knowledge, research, patience, and risk management. Always invest what you can afford to lose and consider seeking advice from financial professionals if needed. One important application from The Basics of Bitcoins and Blockchains that can make you stand out from other readers is a deep understanding of decentralized finance, DeFi. DeFi is a rapidly growing sector within the cryptocurrency and blockchain space that aims to transform traditional financial systems by providing open, permissionless, and decentralized alternatives. By grasping the principles and intricacies of DeFi presented in the book, you can gain insights into how this disruptive technology can reshape finance and potentially create new opportunities. With this knowledge, you can explore and participate in various DeFi platforms and projects, such as decentralized exchanges, DEXs, lending and borrowing protocols, yield farming, and liquidity mining. Understanding DeFi allows you to leverage these platforms to earn passive income, access financial services without intermediaries, and potentially contribute to the development of innovative decentralized applications, DApps. Moreover, your understanding of DeFi can also help you evaluate the risks and rewards associated with different DeFi projects, enabling you to make informed investment decisions. This knowledge can be particularly valuable as DeFi continues to gain traction and attract both institutional and individual investors. By focusing on DeFi as a standout application, you can position yourself as an informed and forward-thinking individual in discussions and interactions within the cryptocurrency and blockchain communities. You can share your insights, contribute to the ongoing development of DeFi, and potentially identify new opportunities for collaboration or entrepreneurship within this emerging field.